The Sealey GV180WM wall-mountable garage wet and dry vacuum. Its powerful 1500 watt motor is fitted with a noise diffuser, making it ideal for use in garages, workshops or around the home. Its range of features include a flexible spring hose which stretches up to 8 meters to easily cater for vehicles inside or outside your garage, a 5-meter power cable which, by removing the vacuum from its wall bracket, extends its range to a massive 13 meters from the main socket. Remote control buttons on the nozzle so you can turn the unit on or off without leaving the vehicle or the area you are cleaning. The machine can also be used for wet vacuuming by simply emptying the dust compartment and fitting a foam filter to the motor intake. A blower function which is ideal for blowing any garden leaves out of your garage. And a variety of tools. These include 2 extension lances, a combo brush, round brush, deluxe car nozzle, crevice tool, washable cartridge filter, foam filter and a dust bag. And its clever design allows these accessories to be stored on board the vacuum, keeping your work area clean and tidy. The Sealey GV180WM wall-mountable garage wet and dry vacuum, making light work of a laborious task.